Yo, what up with everybody? How you doing? This is Ken with God by the Trading, and what we're here to do is talk about Rivian. But first, I want to let you know whatever this is video is brought to you by the Moomoo Investing App. Now, look, today you can get, if you upload $100 to your account, you'll get 5 free stocks. If you upload $1,000, you get 15 free stocks, and if you upload $5,000 to your account, you'll be able to get 15 free stocks and a free stock in Tesla or Google. So this is a video brought to you by the Moomoo Investing App. So today or whatnot, what we're gonna talk about is Rivian or whatever, right? And what Rivian got going on. So I was doing some research today. I'm gonna talk about what Rivian got going on. Rivian got some real funny stuff going on. Let's talk about it, right? Let me get on here. Hold on 1 second. Get this thing together real quick. All right. Minimize myself right here. We're gonna get on and talk about Rivian, what Rivian got going on. I always recommend everybody, whatever, if you in God by the Trading or whatnot, or get my class or whatnot, we always use Google to do our searches or whatnot, right? So the first thing that we're gonna search is how much losing per vehicle, right? Talking about this. So look, so Rivian or whatnot, as of today, the company itself is losing more than $30,000 on each truck that it sells, right? So imagine, right? Just imagine like you got you selling a Snicker or whatnot, and you have a Snicker bar, and it costs you $1 to buy, right? It costs you $1 to buy, right? You're trying to sell it and you want to make a flip for like $1.50 or something like that or whatever. Imagine you buying a Snicker for $1, but then you selling it for like 25 cents. You operating at a loss, right? So right now, from the information that we see or whatnot, the company itself is losing more than $30,000 or whatnot for each car that it sells, right? So I'm looking at it or whatever, right? And I'm trying to figure out like well, what is Rivian doing for the year, right? So let's type this in. How So let's talk about it, right? On the day is up, right? On the day is up. On the 5-day chart, it is down. So in 5 days, they done lost 20%. It's down 20%. On the month, it's down 19%. In 6 months, it's up. What's the name? But on the year, right? Let's talk about the year. On the year, Rivian been operating in a loss for the year. It's down 44.27% this past year. So Rivian been operating in a loss, right? At this time third, whatever. So as we start getting the research to see like are these companies like long-term holds or short-term holds or whatever, right? We start looking into like stuff like this or whatever, like how the company doing overall, how they've been doing in the past years, or how they've been doing in last 5 years, stuff like that or whatever, right? So all in all, in the last 5 years, Rivian been operating at a loss. In the last 5 years, they've been down 85%, which is crazy. It's here, whatever, right? So I started doing a little more research or whatever, right? And trying to figure out like, let's see who owns the company or whatever, right? Or who's the CEO of Rivian. Let's do this in. Let's see, Rivian. His name is RJ. Right. So let's get a good look at who RJ is. Right. I want y'all to see this, whatever. Right. We got RJ. He right here. He's smiling. We're gonna use this image right here. We got RJ. The what's the name of Rivian? And this is Twitter page or whatnot for everybody trying to follow him on Twitter. This is Twitter page. He's sitting here, he's smiling in his profile picture, whatever, right? And I'm trying to figure out if the company is failing, you're a CEO of a company or whatever, and it's failing, how can you be smiling, right? So I did a little more research, right? We're gonna get back on Google. We're gonna get back on Google real quick. Let's see. What is RJ? No, I did a little more research. I figured out that RJ got a raise, right? I want y'all to see this. RJ Scaringe. All right. Rivian CEO, and it's been updated on August the 30th, right? And the company been operating in a loss for the last 5 years. It said the CEO, it said Rivian CEO to get pay raise for more than 50% to 1 million, plus about 15 million in stocks or whatever, right? Which is crazy, right? Because the crazy thing about it is, why would you give a CEO a raise, right? He was making $650,000, right? And let me go back to another article to see if I can get a little more accuracy on here. Let's say Rivian major pay raise. Let's see, so you guys can see it with me. Go back. So you can get some good information on here. I say his salary is $1 million a year, as you guys can see. All right. They gave him a raise. Let me see, what was he making at first? He's right in 2023. They go to the news. Let's can we get some more? What was he making at first? Say secured a major pay raise. All right, so according to the filing on Tuesday, effectively immediately, Scaringe's annual base salary was increased to $1 million, more than 50% increase from the previous $650,000. I want y'all guys to see this. Y'all see that? He got an increase to $1 million. It's more than 60% of that. That is crazy, right? And you trying to sit here and you trying to wonder, like, okay, look. So I started thinking a little more, right? Started getting a little more into depth about like what's going on with him. Like how do he how is he able to get a raise? You know what I'm saying? This, that, and third, whatever. Trying to figure out like what's going on with Rivian or whatever, right? Rivian. Let's see. PE ratio. Let's get on here. PE ratio. And you know what PE ratio? PE ratio is price earning ratio, whatever, right? And they give you like a what they expecting Rivian to do, right? And I want you guys to notice whatever, right? This is what the rich do to maintain staying rich or whatever, right? They manipulate the market or whatever, right? And they make money out the backs of your everyday investors, retail investor, basically. So look, so as we can see or whatever, right, from NASDAQ or whatnot, their Rivian is projected to make even more of a loss. As you can see, the negative 5.52 or whatever, right? It is crazy. That is crazy. The price to earning ratio or whatever, right? They're operating in a loss. So how is this man able to get like this money or whatever, right? And it made me more curious or whatnot, like how much money does he actually really makes with her, right? Because you can never really go by the salary, right? Because we know rich people, the salary is just like a little something, whatever. Like they ain't gonna never say how much money they really making off the company, right? So let's go to how much is RJ making from making in compensation. Making a compensation. And let's say in the last 3 years. Let's go down here. Let's see how much you're making a compensation. And let me put in his real name. Alright. Alright, so in compensation, right? In 3 years, over the last 3 years, Rivian CEO total compensation amount of about 424 million. So on top of the million that he's already making, the CEO had a total compensation amount of 424 million. That is crazy or whatever, right? And it's crazy because like Rivian price has been driving down or whatnot. And I feel as though if you don't know what's going on, you need to know what's going on. You need to join the Discord and learn how to make money while the stock market is going down, right? So my thesis of what I read is that RJ is operating the company at a loss, and he's been putting in put options in order to make money while the stock is going down, right? And I feel as though what he's doing with the money, he's putting it back into the company to make profits. Now, the thing is that a lot of people don't know or whatnot is how to make money in the stock market while the stock market is going down. So wholeheartedly in the last 2 days or whatnot of this recording, if you would have put in $100, right? If you would have put in $100 on Rivian, you would have made $11,000 back in a put option. For those who don't know how to trade, you would have made $11,000 in a put option if you would put $100 put in. That's how far I've been going down in the last 2 days. That you would have been up 11,000%, which is crazy, right? And what you want to do, you want to learn how to be on the upside of that or whatever. You want to have the knowledge. And if you're interested in having the knowledge of learning how to trade options, and this, that, and the third, whatever, feel free to join the Discord. The link shall be in the bio, along with the Moomoo. Whatever you want to get your day started, trading options or whatnot, use Moomoo as a trading platform. And join God by the Trading. The link shall be in the bio. Be sure to watch the bio. And today or whatnot, let's talk about these earnings today. This is God by the Trading. Let me show y'all. Join the Discord. Learn how to trade options. Today, y'all, we made money off the SPY, right? I got in the SPY call option or whatnot, which was $50 or whatnot. It was $50 starting off. Got into a call option. When I finished the call option, I made $3,200 today, right? As you guys can see. There was people also in the Discord that make money as well. Shout out to my girl Q. She made $154 off the SPY call today, or whatever. And this was her first trade. Shout out to Shannon. She made $169 off the QQQ today. That's good for her. And she made another $246 off the SPY. Off the SPY today. So let's go to everybody that's in the Discord. Also, my boy T, he made $1,300 as well from the SPY, man. So you guys, y'all need to learn how to make money in the stock market, whatever, with these options. If you're interested in learning how to do it, the link is in the bio. Join the Discord. As you guys can see, everybody in the Discord is starting to make money. And this, that, and the third, whatever. Be sure to join the Discord. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.